holidays. Hey guys, welcome back. So in today's video, we're gonna make homemade from scratch chocolate chip cookies. These are absolutely amazing. They are crispy on the outside and nice and chewy on the inside. So if you wanna see how to make homemade chocolate chip cookies, keep on watching. Thank you guys so much for watching. Thumbs up, comment, rate, and subscribe. Happy holidays, guys, and let's get into the video.
Alright guys, these are your main ingredients. Alright, let's start out with the dry ingredients. First, we're going to add 3 cups of flour to a bowl. 1 teaspoon of baking soda. Half a teaspoon of salt. Give that a good mix, and let's start with the wet ingredients. 1 stick of softened butter. 1/4 cup of shortening. 1/4 cups of brown sugar, and give that a good mix while you're using a hand whisk or you're actually using a hand mixer. Either or, even though I'm using my KitchenAid, this did take a little while, so give it a little time to really incorporate all the ingredients together. Half a teaspoon of vanilla and 1 egg at room temperature, and 2 tablespoons of whole milk. Now it's time to just make sure all the ingredients are completely well mixed together. Go ahead and scrape the edges as much as you need to, so again, make sure everything is completely combined. Alright, and once it is completely combined, you're going to go ahead and start adding your dry ingredients slowly. You guys, this takes a while as well. Just keep on either mixing or using your handheld. It will eventually, I promise, become your dough. I am adding half a cup of mini chocolate chips. And there you go. That is exactly what we've been waiting for and looking for. I'm going to go ahead and transfer this to a bowl so I can start making our little balls of cookie dough to bake our cookies. Don't forget to preset your oven at 350. Line your baking pan with parchment paper. Alright, and let's start making these cookie dough balls. So I'm going to go ahead and use an ice cream scoop, and it's a little bit too big. Once I rolled it, I was like, that's too big. So I went ahead and cut it in half. So I basically did this entire time. Just got 1 scoop out and cut it in half, and that is like a perfect size for a cookie. You see? Let's put it on the pan and continue to do so. I did have to do 2 batches. So this is the first batch. You're going to put it in the oven for 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, this is what they look like. And if you actually love a lot more chocolate chip chunks on it, add more if you guys wanted to. I just prefer half a cup. That's personal preference. And then I'm going to go ahead and put them on a drying rack and add the second batch. This made 28 chocolate chip cookies. I am going to put actually more chocolates on top of this. So I'm putting little chocolate chips, like about 3 to 2, and each little ball there just to give it a little bit more of the chocolatey look, chocolate chip cookie look. Of course, you could add more to the batter at the beginning. I'm just adding a little bit more to some of the other ones. And that goes into the oven for 10 minutes. And that is done as well. As you see, these give a little bit more of that chocolate chip kind of cookie look than the other ones. But again, I just prefer less chocolate chips. I know, I am weird. Also, adding those to the drying rack. And that is it, guys. I really hope you guys are enjoying these cooking videos. Don't forget to comment, rate, and subscribe. If you guys want to see more cooking videos or have tried any of my recipes recently, please tag me or just leave me a comment down below. These were amazing and crispy on the outside and nice and chewy in the inside, guys. They were amazing. My husband loved them and my mom loved them as well. Really hope you guys enjoy again, guys, and happy holidays, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye, guys.